2023 was a year of challenges. Many of us battled with maintaining a healthy and balanced lifestyle. The struggle was real and the effects, both mental and physical, were profound.
But amidst the uncertainty, there is a beacon of hope.
At Illuminations, we step up when you need us the most, transforming lives one day at a time.
My experience was great, so I hope you all get the benefit I'm getting.
I would highly recommend for you to come and try the open house at the Illuminations. It's been a wonderful experience, and it's my first time here, but I've been more than gracious about it.
And now it is your turn to ignite your wellness revolution this 2024. Join us for the upcoming Wellness Open House, a day filled with inspiration, knowledge, and transformation.
Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to take charge of your health and well-being.
Lots of wisdom, knowledge, meditations, one-on-one sessions, an introduction to new and conventional modalities awaits you.
See you at the Wellness Open House. Let's illuminate our lives together.